Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your fitness improves, your schedule changes, or the workouts feel too easy or too hard, Runna lets you adjust your pace, targets so your training stays accurate and effective. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to change pace targets in Runna in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open the Runna app. So log into your account, go to your active training plan, make sure you are viewing the correct plan. Okay, so tap your training plan, go to settings or plan settings or manage plan. This is where pace adjustments are made. Okay, so now go to pace or fitness settings. Inside plan settings, tap pace targets or tap fitness level or tap race goal. So pace targets are linked to your fitness inputs. Okay, now you can update a race goal time, current fitness level, recent race results, manual pace values. Okay, then enter the new values. Okay, confirm the changes and Runna will recalculate your pace zones. Okay, so regenerate the plan after updating. Tap update plan or regenerate plan. Let's Runna rebuild the schedule. Your workouts will now reflect the new paces. Okay, so review the upload or the updated workouts. Open your weekly schedule. Tap a workout, check the new pace target. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.